So as usual, we are always looking for zones on our chart to trade off on. This is the 15-minute. We have a nice resistance area. Prices has been testing this 1, 2, 3 times, and then here we are at our 4th time. Let's see if we can find one of our 6 entries in here. So what we have here is a breakout. Now we really like this sort of breakouts. It looks as if all the stops has been taken out at the bottom here, above this area. So let's see if we have one of our 6 entries there. So this is the highest point. It comes down, and then unfortunately prices closed already on the 161.8. So our 161.8 setup is no longer a valid one. Let's keep on and follow price as we are still in the zone. So here we have something. We have a 78.6 possibility, a failure to follow through. Let's have a look at this one. So prices goes up, and this is the highest point now. And then where does price actually fail to follow through here? So prices are still coming down. That's the lowest point. So we need to keep on following price as prices are making lower lows here. So the reason we are still looking here is because we are quite close to the area of importance. Now, as long as prices does not close above that 78.6, then we are for a way to go for a shorting opportunity, a sell stop. Now, this is where we would usually put our entries a few pips below the midpoint of our M pattern. As we can see here, we have an M pattern, and it fails to follow through at 78.6. So we want prices to come through the sell stop. But now, because we have an EMA in the way here, our 36, it's going to be more prudent to just put it below that instead. And when we do that in this example, we also have the sell stop below the resistance area here. So let's see what happens now. So obviously, we're going to have to put our stop losses above the area here as well. So I see we've already drawn something in there, so let's keep that. And let's see what happens here to price, if we get triggered in or not. Yeah, it looks as if we're going to be triggered in. See, now in this case here, we are definitely triggered in already, because we are just below this midpoint, and also our EMA is also just here. So we probably are triggered in already. And then, that's a good one. Prices has just come down immediately. Then as prices are moving down, you can also then move your stop loss to 1:1 or wherever your potential take profit is. Now we have a EMA here, the 633, so we are watching prices very closely when it gets here. But by this time, we should have already had some profits taken off the table.